Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial: how to create transparent button borders. Draw a rounded rectangle with the shape tool. Set fill to 0 and apply white stroke, and also adjust size between 3 to 5 px for balance, and add a soft drop shadow for realism. This gives a glowing glossy button looks. Change stroke color for theme variations and add subtle gradient on the background. Perfect for UI or app mockups. Now duplicate the button and change stroke opacity. You can get an inactive state version 2 combined with text for CTA button. Keep your design consistent by saving styles